What up everybody, Arie here. So I was scrolling TikTok and I stumbled upon something really funny and creative. And I was watching these TikToks and then I realized, wait, this is actually an e-commerce store, and it's not just any e-commerce store. It's an e-commerce store that I know about. So it really intrigued me and I instantly thought that I should share this with you guys because it's a really original way for this brand to go viral on TikTok. So let's not beat around the bush, pun intended. The brand that we're talking about is called Balls. And as you can see, it's basically the best care for down there. So it's a ball trimmer. I'm sorry ladies if this verbiage is kind of gross, but that's literally what it is. And I mean, you can see in the search trend on Google that ball trimmer is a real search term that people are using nowadays, and it's actually popping off. So this brand has always been a great example of a beautifully branded store that really knows their target demographic. Now, I'm not gonna lie, I do see a lot of similarities between this store and Manscaped, which is a billion-dollar company that sells basically the same thing. But yeah, you can see that this store has gone even a step further to make it even more goofy and silly. But what I wanted to show you is their TikTok, because I think this was something that they recently discovered that, in my opinion, is gonna completely take their brand to the next level. And the reason I think that is because all of their social medias don't really get that much traction, and they don't even run Facebook ads. So what I'm guessing is that Facebook probably keeps banning them and they're not able to get their name out there with paid media. So now they're deciding to put all of their effort into really funny content. So let me show you basically the first viral video that they had here.
Shave your balls?
Sometimes.
What do you use? Use like a trimmer or a razor or what?
I use a razor right now.
Like as smooth as possible?
Yeah, a little
Does
bit.
it ever chafe?
No, surprisingly.
Do you use like a lotion or a cream?
Coconut oil.
You coconut oil on your balls before you go out somewhere?
Always.
So your balls smell like coconut?
Right now.
Did ladies like it? Did they ever comment on the coconut fragrance? Or they just get down?
They get down and I smell the
It's
coconut.
never come up.
No, it's never.
There you have it. Coconut oil is the way. Do you shave your balls?
So as you can see, they found a really funny format, which is the interview format. I mean, this is a classic thing, guys. I don't know about you, but if you've browsed TikTok before, you've probably seen guys asking girls different things at like nightclubs, or girls asking guys different things. This is a classic format that just always goes viral because it's super unpredictable. Like, you never know who you're gonna stumble on. And as you can see, this is a perfect example. I mean, if this guy went out and interviewed 100 people, right, that may take like 2 hours, but one of them is for sure gonna be a really interesting piece of content. So that was when they discovered, oh wait, this is actually a really genius strategy. We should keep this going. So then they kept doing this over and over again. I mean, they got some crazy views on some of these, and then they kept finding more winners in this format. So let me show you.
You have beautiful hair. Thank you. Beautiful. Thank you very much. You shave your balls? Yeah. Every day. Every day? Yeah. With a razor? With a Gillette. To the skin. To zero. Why smooth?
Oh, I don't know.
You just like it?
Yeah, you like your hair.
I like it smooth. Yeah, that's how the way you like your balls. You have beautiful hair.
Oh my god. So yeah, as you can see, this guy's just asking these like sort of uncomfortable questions, I guess, that you don't really think about, but it's so relevant to the brand. So, just by paying this guy a salary to go out there and interview these people, and then obviously paying a cameraman and an editor to make these videos, they're getting so much more reach than they would be by spending money on ads. Now, obviously, I'm an advocate for running paid ads. I think it's a really smart way to get customers basically on demand and amplify your viral reach. So if I was to advise this brand, I would start running some of these TikToks as ads as soon as possible, especially since you're not showing any skin or anything. Like, I'm sure these would get approved. So let's take a look at this one. This is their most viral one with 6.6 million views.
Do you shave your balls?
No,
Never.
never.
Never ever.
Never ever.
Why not?
Because I'm a man, I'm not girl.
Excellent. Thanks, man. That was great. Simple answer. Honest, straight to the point. Because I'm a man. I am not a girl. That's why I don't shave my balls. Do you shave your balls?
So something like this is viral because obviously it's a little funny, but also because it's controversial. I mean, this guy's just basically saying, no, I'm not a girl. Why would I shave? So obviously people are gonna go crazy in the comments. Everybody's saying, oh, so I guess I'm a girl. I'm a caveman, not a girl is the same answer. Y'all know what insecure means. Like, everyone's just roasting this guy. So this interview format lends itself perfectly to getting unpredictable controversy that doesn't affect affect your brand negatively because the brand is not the one saying this, right? It's just a random guy on the street. So people are gonna roast the guy on the street, and your brand is gonna get all the benefit of the clout and views. Sorry, I lied. This is actually their most viral video with 13.2 million views in just 5 days. They only posted this 5 days ago, guys. That is so crazy. The power of TikTok never ceases to amaze me.
Do you shave your balls?
Yeah, I've been in a relationship for like 3 years.
So it's going downhill.
Yeah, it is.
Both of your respective grooming regimens are taking a nosedive.
She's on her I'm not. I'm
Stop caring.
a little bit.
Right now, you've got a big, thick Sicilian jungle bush down there.
It is the disco era in the lower part of my body. I gotta trim it up. I wasn't really thinking about it until I met you.
I want you to think about me next time you're thinking about trimming your balls. I want you to picture my bald head and really just try and emulate my look.
I'm gonna skip that part and just shave my balls. No disrespect.
I completely understand. Do you shave your balls?
That is so funny. This guy is hilarious. But yeah, I just wanted to show you this quick. I thought it was so funny, but also such a great example on the power of TikTok and just some creative content that a brand is making. Now, I want to say if you do have a brand and you're making consistent revenue, but you want to scale using the power of vertical content, then you should check out my agency, Ecommerce. We've been actually helping businesses do this. We got a really good system for creating custom content, like really solid UCG style videos, but then also posting that content across social medias for organic reach and then amplifying the content with paid TikTok ads. And my team manages all of it. So if you're making 20,000 in revenue monthly and above, then you certainly qualify. So check out our website. I'll be linking it in the description. But that's all I got for today, guys. Hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you learned something, and I hope you have an amazing rest of your day. I'll see you guys next time. Peace.